What is up, everyone? We are out here about to do some camping. We just got done cleaning up our campsite. Made a little time lapse. You'll see that soon. Brought Luna Baduna Bear. Get out of here. Luna Baduna Bear. I haven't put her in a video yet. This is my dog. Oh. Look at this place though. Cleaned it pretty good. There's so much debris everywhere. You can see. So, come on, Boo Boo. Oh, she's still working. Good girl. Good girl. You are very, very smart. We're gonna set up some camp. This shit going, make a little breakfast. We've been up since about probably 4 or 5 a.m. It's been really fun. Gonna make a nice cup of coffee.
Campfire coffee.
Campfire coffee.
A cup of Joe. Oh yeah. Wait till you get to that one. That one's like. Oh yeah. Professional over here.
Watch out, Lou.
Easy, Luna. Easy savage. Is that how it goes?
I don't know. Lou, go. This is hot caliente.
She's just trying to fuck with you.
She
She
loves
fuck with you.
She loves just, you know, making her dad mad. Ooh, fingertips are on fire. Note to self, make sure to bring a freaking mitten. Just like French presses, they make really strong cup of coffees.
Squeeze the
I'm gonna
caffeine.
do.
What? It depends on how much you put in too. You
I'm gonna
psychopath.
do 2 cups. Cause I like some strong, you know, gonna destroy the bathroom coffee. And then put this on there.
I don't normally drink coffee.
But when, okay. And then slowly
I'm more
apply
of an energy
pressure.
drink drinker. But even when I go to those places, I get like, you know, I'll go to like Dutch Rosie or Rebel.
Hey, one thing I was thinking that we could do is since you got tarp, in between the cars, so at like night, you run the tarp across the top, so you can open the doors, or like you can still talk to each
That
other,
is just
or put
so
the table in the middle or whatever.
That's when we play Magic.
I'm down. And a
Whole
little
area.
coconut milk creamer. It's got floaties. Gotta stir it.
Yeah.
Luckily, this thing's got a lid, so I can just
Shake it up.
give it a nice shake, shake, shake.
I eat a couple pieces. I don't like it too much, so I eat a little bit.
That's some
Get
good
some
coffee.
protein.
I forget what kind of coffee grounds I had. My girlfriend's the one that gave me them. I think they were like dark roast. I want to say like Starbucks something dark roast. Super good.
Usually, I drink medium roast.
I like dark roast just because usually I'm like, that's my first cup of the day, and I usually just drink 1 cup.
Well, I got Rolo because I don't drink a ton of like caffeine. So for me, it's just medium roast works.
Hey.
Yeah, but you got the meat.
Luna Bear. She's always trying to steal a hot dog. But yeah, this is the camp. This shit's awesome. Look at this. Blue Bear. Super cool. We did a lot of cleaning. We're all camped out now. Got our stuff set up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Want to take some time though. Pretty cool rocks over here. Just like wall. Try and check it out. Got this crazy girl here. What are you doing? You can see it. Literally just goes up. She's fucking going crazy. Are you in the woods?
What are you doing?
She's like, I'm getting content. Wait. Got to the water, but it's a little bit high. But we're gonna try and make our way over to here. Looks like there might be some cool waterfall or something. Oh, this place is sick. We're in a waterfall, Luna Bear. First time ever being some high water like this, so she's a little nervous, but she's interested. See, she wants to get in the water too. Trying to swim away. Go there.
Oh, she's over there. She's over there.
There she is. What's up, big girl? I'm excited. Yeah, please don't jump in the water.
Brought a towel.
Bro, what happened over there? Where?
This color stuff,
Oh,
but
Matt already climbing them rocks. This shit's insane,
I wonder
dude.
if you keep going up there, like how far this water goes up.
Yeah, like what if there's a cave over there?
you can't get that one loose.
You're such a dork, mama.
So,
Said I'm dedicated.
that's a root.
Take this whole,
I know.
whole branch.
Come on, boo-boo. So it's been sprinkling a little bit, so we decided to build a little fort. Give you guys the tour. Come on, Luke. Let's get in the fort. Come on, Dorky. That was the rear. We'll show you the entrance. Pretty cool. Got a little clubhouse out in the woods. But I mean, come on. It's actually pretty quiet under here. You got Lou, she can come in and out. Come on, Lou. See, she's happy. She's got her own little area. This is nice. Woke up, making some breakfast. Sorry about my voice, it's going out. But this bad boy. Nom.com.
You want me to smoke get you? Swap back
I'm
off?
gonna show you our little sleeping arrangements. It's probably dirty. Oh yeah, these are a little tent we built. But, yeah, I got blankets all over this, but I'm not shitting you. This was super, super comfy. Me and my Luna Bear. I slept obviously right there. Luna Bear was kind of most of there the night, and then she ended up on my side. She's a cuddler, but it's fun. The best thing I will say if you're gonna do camping, please make sure to bring one of these, because my buddy doesn't have one, and some people drove down last night with their lights super bright and woke them up, but I didn't get waking up because I got Bob's Burgers. You don't have to have Bob's Burgers, but you know, something like that. It really does help keep some of the light out. Stickers compliment on my girlfriend. Leave a comment if you want a sticker. This one's Subaru. Cup of breakfast.
There ain't nothing wrong with that.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh. Finished making our burritos. Waiting on our nice kielbasa. Look at that. Right on the fire. About to clean up camp in a little bit and start making our way back home. I hope you guys like the video. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video out of this one. I'm pretty sure I am. It's gonna be a lot of clips, but we're gonna try and record on the way home. My voice, as you can hear, is damn near just mute, so probably gonna head back, drink some nice hot tea. But hope you guys like the adventure. Plenty more to come. We can't wait for summer. We're really going to be doing it big this summer. We're kind of just planning all our stuff, getting everybody ready. We still need to try and get Matt a car, be a little Subaru or something like that. But Eastern Oregon trips, Mount St. Helens, like everything. We're doing it all this year. So stay tuned and enjoy.